very healthy food. This menu I very like it, and salmon is very delicious and make me smart. I eat almost every day. Okay, let's see what we have. We have salmon. See? Very fresh. Yeah, it's very fresh. And we have cooking oil, garlic, egg, white pepper powder, spring onion, salt, sugar, soy sauce, oyster sauce, and rice. Okay, let's cooking time. Yeah. Okay, I'm gonna put our cooking oil first. Okay, and then I'm gonna put my garlic. Okay, then do like this. Oh, smells good. Just put it in the pan. Smell is come. Okay, then I'm gonna put my salmon. Eat all. I wanna eat all. See, guys? Very fresh. Look, see? Wow! Smell very good. Amazing. Okay, I'm gonna put my egg in my pan now. Put it here. Okay. Then make the egg done first. Make the egg done first. Just do like this. Wait for my egg to smell good. Hey! Yay! Okay, then I'm gonna put my rice. Hey. Smell very good. Very good. I like the smell. Okay, and I'm gonna put my white pepper powder, and salt, sugar, soy sauce, oyster sauce. Yeah, it just come out. Okay, enough. Okay, now I'm gonna mix it. Wow. See? Smell very good now. Smell of salmon. I love it. See? Wow. Okay, I'm gonna put my spring onion in my plate. Put it all. Mix it again. if I make shark fried rice, it's gonna be amazing. I think so. If I make shark fried rice, and big blue whale. I'm just thinking about that. Done now. Finished now. See? Wow. Very cool. And I'm gonna put in my little bowl. Make it beautiful. Okay. 3, 2, 1. And I'm gonna try it now. Make sure it's delicious. See? Wow. Very good. I want to try it more, but maybe after this video. It's very delicious, and you can make for your family. Make like me. If I can make, you can make. Thanks for come and watch my video. Please like, share, and subscribe. And important thing is press the bell for me, okay? Bye everyone. My salmon fried rice is very delicious. Bye bye. You can make delicious, you too.